Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Python assignment pound 2. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. FizzBuzz. Loop through numbers 1 to 50. Print Fizz for multiples of 3, Buzz for multiples of 5, and FizzBuzz for both. Step 2. 2D array. Create a 2D array, where each element is the product of its row and column indices. Step 3. Month to days. Use a dictionary to map month names to their days, then return the days for the input month. Step 4. Case count. Write a function to count upper and lower case letters in a string. Step 5. Unique list. Return a new list, with only unique elements from the input list. Step 6. Local variables. Count local variables in a function using locals. Step 7. Lowercase input. Take input until a blank line, then print all lines in lowercase. Step 8. Password validation. Check if a password meets criteria like length and character types. Step 9. Next day. Use the datetime module to calculate the next day from a given date. Step 10. Insert an array. Insert a new element before the second item in a list. Step 11. Array to list. Convert an array to a list using list. Step 12. Memory info. Get an array's memory address and size with id and buffer underscore info. Step 13. Concatenate dictionaries. Combine multiple dictionaries into one. Step 14. Letter combinations. Generate all combinations of letters from a dictionary using loops. Step 15. Sort by value. Sort a dictionary by its values. Step 16. Sort tuples. Sort a list of tuples by the last element in each. Step 17. Replace list element. Replace the last element in a list with another list.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.